Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back once again in my class. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well at your home. My dear students, in the previous video, we have revised our lesson 2, Peter Enters the Garden. That was your third part. Now, this is your fourth part of this chapter. In the previous video, I have given you the homework. Answer these questions referring to the context. Question number 1. Your father had an accident there. He was put in a pie by Mrs. McGregor. So your question is, who said this word and to whom? Question B. Who is Mrs. McGregor? Question C. What do you think was the accident that their father had? Now your question with reference to the context 2. Peter got down very quietly off the wheelbarrow and started running as fast as he could. Question A. Why did Peter get onto the wheelbarrow? Question B. What did he see from the top of the wheelbarrow? Question C. Why did Peter start running as fast as he could? Now it's time for your homework. Your answer of your homework. Now your question A is, Mrs. Rabbit said these words to her children. Who said these words to whom? Mrs. Rabbit said these words to her children. Now answer B. Mrs. McGregor was the wife of Mr. McGregor. Who was the wife of Mr. McGregor? Mrs. McGregor was the wife of Mr. McGregor. Okay. Now answer C. The accident that their father had was that he was caught and cooked by Mrs. McGregor in a pie. Okay. Now it's time for your question 2. And your question 2 answer A is, Peter got onto the wheelbarrow to hide from Mr. McGregor. Now your question is, why did Peter get onto the wheelbarrow? Your answer is, Peter got on the wheelbarrow to hide from the Mr. McGregor. Now question B. What did he see from the top of the wheelbarrow? What did he see from the top of the wheelbarrow? Now your answer is, from the top of the wheelbarrow, he saw Mr. McGregor hoeing onions. Mr. McGregor hoeing onions. Now question C. Why did Peter start running? Why did Peter start running as fast as he could? Why? Your answer is, as soon as Peter found that he is safe, he started running as fast as he could. As soon as Peter found that he is safe, then he started running as fast as he could. Now this is the answer of your previous question that I have given you the homework in the previous video. Now today we are going to answer these questions of lesson 2, Peter Enters the Garden. Your question number 1 is, why did Mrs. Rabbit tell her 4 children not to go to Mr. McGregor's garden? Why? Why did Mrs. Rabbit tell her 4 children, that is Flopsy, Mopsy, Cottontail and Peter? Why did Mrs. Rabbit tell her 4 children not to go to Mr. McGregor garden? Now my dear students, your answer is, Mrs. Rabbit told her 4 children not to go to the McGregor's garden as there was danger. As there was danger. That's why Mrs. Rabbit told her 4 children not to go to Mr. McGregor's garden as there was danger. Now, question 2. Where did Flopsy, Mopsy, and Cottontail go? What did they do there? Now, your answer is Flopsy, Mopsy, and Cottontail went down the lane to gather blackberries. To gather blackberries. Now, question 3. Why did Peter not go with his siblings? Why? What was the reason? Why did Peter not go with his sibling? Your answer is Peter did not go with his siblings because he was very naughty. Peter did not go with his siblings because he was very naughty. Now it's time for your question number 4. Why did Mr. McGregor call Peter a thief? Why? Mr. McGregor said like that. McGregor called Peter a thief as he means Peter enter garden without permission. Why did Mr. McGregor call Peter a thief? McGregor called Peter a thief as he means Peter entered his garden without permission. That's why McGregor called Peter a thief. Now, question number 5. What did Mr. McGregor do when he saw Peter near the cucumber frame? What did Mr. McGregor do when he saw Peter near the cucumber frame? Your answer is answer 5. Mr. McGregor jumped up and ran after Peter, waving a rake and calling out, "Stop thief," when he saw Peter near the cucumber frame. I am repeating once again. Your question is, why did Mr. McGregor do? What did Mr. McGregor do when he saw Peter near the cucumber frame? Your answer is Mr. McGregor jumped up and ran after Peter, waving a rake and calling out, "Thief," when he saw Peter near the cucumber frame. Now question number 6. Who went up to Peter when he got caught in the net? Who went up to Peter when he got caught in the net? What did they do? Your answer is some friendly sparrow came to Peter and begged him to save himself as he got caught in the net. So, here your question is, who went up to Peter? So, your answer is some friendly sparrows came to Peter and begged him to save himself as he got caught in the net. Now, question number 7. Where did Peter hide in the tool shed? Where? Where did Peter hide in the tool shed? Your answer is Peter hid himself into a cane in the tool shed. Into a cane. Peter hid himself into a cane in the tool shed. Now it's time for your question number 8. Who did Peter ask for the directions to the gate? Who did Peter ask for the directions to the gate? Your answer is Peter asked an old mouse for the directions to the gate. Peter asked an old mouse for directions to the gate. Now, your question number 9. How did Peter find his way to the gate? How did Peter find his way to the gate? Your answer is Peter heard some sounds and looked where it was coming from and found the gate behind Mr. McGregor. So your question is, how did Peter find his way to the gate? So firstly, Peter heard some sounds and looked where it was coming from and found the gate behind Mr. McGregor. Question number 10. This is your last question of lesson 2. Peter enters the garden. Your question number 10 is, do you think Peter was wrong in not listening to his mother? Give reason. So your answer is here on your screen. Peter was wrong in not listening to his mother, as your parents always thinks for your good and well-being. That's why Peter was wrong here, because he was not listening to his mother at all. And we have to listen the talk of our mother, your parents, because your parents always think for your good and well-being. So my dear students, today we have completed full revision of lesson 2, Peter enters the garden. Now it's time for your homework. Your homework is answer these question. You have to learn all the question answer of lesson 2, Peter enters the garden. My dear students, I want to remind you once again, please do comment in the comment section for your attendance. It is very, very important for all students. Now I'm going to stop here. Thank you so much. God bless you.